Hello viewers, welcome back. Today I have with me two distinguished chefs, Chef Shamsundar and Chef Vijay Bakshi from Curry Conversations, and we three got together to do an episode in which we wanted to showcase an amazing challenge for you guys, which is going to be based on pumpkin.
Okay, Vijay, what are you going to make?
I will make desi cutlets out of it. Pumpkin cutlets served with the chutney made out of this inside and the peel.
Skin.
The skin of the
Ooh,
pumpkin. I'm making good chutney.
that sounds very exciting.
You'll forget your ketchup and mayo.
Okay.
What are you going to make, Sham?
I'm going to make a Telugu food called
Okay.
Dappalam.
Oh.
It's quite popular. Pumpkin is mostly used for that.
Uh-huh.
So I'm going to make a Dappalam in a rustic way. You're going to use corn on the cob and some sweet potatoes, whole onions, and kind of. It's going to be rustic and going to be traditionally served with Sankal's
Dappalam
favorite,
with
Mudapappu.
Mudapappu. Come on, let's now begin the challenge. Come on, Shyam Garu.
Yes.
Keep chopping it. Nice big chunks.
Yes, big chunks.
So, what are you going to do with this inside, sir?
My friend Vijay is making something.
Oh, yeah. We can give it to him.
We can give it to
Let
him.
us keep it aside.
All the wastage we'll give it to him.
He's making an exciting chutney.
Yeah.
How can you say it's wastage? It's a brilliant stuff.
Let's not come to conclusion before tasting.
The beauty of this dish is the whole piece with the skin.
Yes, what happens is when you cook, it will start disintegrating. So that is the reason we keep the skin so that it holds the vegetable together and comes to a bite whenever you're eating. Why I am adding this is normally when you're having a meal, Dappalam comes towards the end,
True.
right? So you are almost full by then and you need some time. So if you add a corn to it, you keep biting it.
I will be making a cutlet. A
Yep.
simple desi cutlet. Okay?
Brilliant.
To make that, we need some beans, green chilies, थोड़ा सा अदरक ले लेते हैं, and then some boiled potatoes.
So this dish, have you got inspired from somewhere, or you are creating it for the first time and
No.
experimenting on us?
It is not an experiment though. It's something we have always tried and it has been tasty. Because see, there is a sweet element in this pumpkin,
True.
right?
It's got good health benefits also in this, right?
Yeah, lots of it. You know, it's rich in keratin, then it has got a lot of fiber. It's very easily digestible. मतलब खाने के एक आध घंटे में ही भूख लगने लगता है. I mean, you feel hungry.
You're going to use whole onions in this, right?
Yes. So I peeled the onion, I kept the stalk so that it holds the vegetable together, right? And I'm
Yes.
just going to cut into half.
Next, the sweet potatoes.
Yes.
So are we using any green vegetables also in this?
No, except for coriander stem.
Okay.
We're going to use some coriander stem along with this.
So when you're adding sweet potato,
Yes.
it would add a lot of starch into it.
Yes. So again, we are not removing the skin here.
Oh, okay.
This is going to hold it, so it's not going to mash up.
Perfect. So you're going to use potato as the binding agent.
As the base, yeah. That
So you're going to use any all-purpose flour or anything else also to it?
Yeah. See, we'll make a mashed cutlet out of it, and then in that we will put the maida. We got some lovely fresh adrak from the garden here.
Oh
Okay,
yeah,
we
from
will-
the kitchen garden.
Yeah. Sham's house has a good garden, yeah.
Oh,
We plucked it from his garden.
so we're going to steal some out of it, right? While
Yeah, on our way back, we will.
yeah,
Okay.
we'll pick up something.
Yeah.
Let him not know about it. Okay.
Okay. He's not around, no? He's not. I hope he's not hearing it.
Oh no, he's preparing his dishes. Hey,
You guys are not allowed next time.
अरे बोल के चोरी कर रहे रे.
हाँ.
ऐसे
This is-
चोरों का अलाउ करना चाहिए तुम घर पे.
ऐसा नाइंसाफी है कैसे दे सकते हम लोग? No. You can't do that.
कैमरा पर बोल के चोरी कर रहे हैं हम.
Why? Any specific reason you're grating it?
Yeah, so when you grate it, then it is fine and uniform. The size will be very uniform, which will be very easily binding along with the potato.
Can we also boil the pumpkin and then use it as a mashed one?
Yeah, we can, but boil करके mash करोगे ना, it will release some water.
Oh,
You get the whole mince will become, watery.
Okay.
You will not be able to shape it into a cutlet.
So the cutlet will not have a character.
Yes. Pumpkin.
You know how the green chili, we fry it in the oil. So it is going to give heat across the pulsu. And the red chili gives a lot of color. And while you eat, it comes first. And the black pepper will hit you after you eat the pulsu.
True.
Curry leaves and a generous amount of hing as well. This is the time we add coriander stalks and green chili.
Ooh.
We want to flavor the oil with coriander and green chili.
So you're not going to add any chili powder or
No,
turmeric?
we will add turmeric powder in it. Okay.
Looks like somebody has added coconut oil.
I knew it when you poured the white.
बोलने जा रहा था मैं बोला smell आ रहा है किसी
मैं smell देखा था when you.
Anyway, very healthy option. Okay, the vegetable have been cooking for 15 minutes, so it's time to add
Tamarind puree.
tamarind puree. Time to steal some chopped coriander from Chef Vijay's Musambla.
This is cheating.
While our cutlet mixture is getting cooled, we will make our chutney, the accompaniment. Once the oil is hot, we add some
Whole urad dal.
urad dal into it. This gives the actual base for the chutney, and then we add some mustard seeds. And while our mustard seeds start crackling, we will add some dry red chilies into it. In the same pan, we take some more oil and then we start frying our pumpkin peel. Here we go. The peel is completely cooked. The raw flavor is gone. So this is the time we add tomatoes. In case we don't want to add tomatoes, we can also add some imli, tamarind into it. So now the cutlet mixture is cooled down. We will add some fresh chopped coriander. So with that, our cutlet mixture is complete. So we have the cutlet balls, which we are putting it in the flour batter, and then we want to roll it with the breadcrumbs. And once we roll it in the breadcrumbs, we give a heart shape to it, and that is how our cutlets will be ready.
The tamarind is cooked well now. Let us finish the dish with adding the paste.
So this is the same one which you were frying in the initial
Yes.
dry masala.
Yes. It is going to thicken the pulsu and is going to give nice aroma to it. The cinnamon is going to give a lot of flavor, and the jeera seeds and the methi seeds which we added is going to give a good final outcome for this entire dish.
So now that we have made our cutlets, it's time to fry them. Nice and golden brown in color. The idea is that we want it to be evenly frying around, and when you shallow fry it, there is less chances of oil getting absorbed.
अभी लाइव चले जाएगा ये इंस्टा में बस गया
Wow, look at that. That's a wonderful spread. in front of my eyes. So, chef,
Sankalp, that's pumpkin cutlets with pumpkin peel chutney. Nowhere in the world you would have tasted it so far. Give it a try.
definitely. Let me first begin with frying this dish. Nice and crunchy exterior. The skin is nice
Can I?
and crunchy.
Yeah, do.
That's
It's nice and sweet inside. Yeah.
brilliant.
Very crunchy.
Okay.
The pumpkin flavor is slow and subtly coming in at the end.
Okay.
Sweetness of pumpkin
Yeah.
is mixed well with the spices you add
Yeah.
and is giving a overall balanced dish. The chutney is amazing. The story of the chutney is the best thing to tell because you are using the skin and the seeds to make it.
So now let's get into Shamgaram.
Yes.
Talk about your dish.
This is my pumpkin daplam, which
Okay.
also has corn on the cob, sweet potato, onions, quite chunky. And I'm serving that with some steamed rice, some papad, some mudapapu, your favorite, some pickle and ghee, and some gunpowder.
Aha, that's a whole
I'm
lot
feeling
of.
you have
whole
to
lot.
you have to eat this, then sleep here, and go wake up and go home.
Brilliant. So let's begin with this.
Tasting, right? Yeah.
So I'm going to mix it with the rice. The dry spice mix
amazing.
powder is the first thing that is coming to your palate.
I can smell the cinnamon from here.
Sham, it's really good, huh? The tamarind,
Tanginess
jaggery,
coming from the
tanginess.
tamarind, sweetness coming from the jaggery and the pumpkin and the sweet potato and the onions. What not is there in this? And the corn cob.
It's good
Wow,
mix.
that's a brilliant stuff. Now, coming to the final ending of the contest, which is happening today. Yeah,
Okay.
I think somewhere down the lane, the crunchiness of the the cutlet is I know. I'm coming positive to it. I'm very positive to it.
Yeah.
Very positive.
yeah,
No
yeah,
negatives
yeah,
about it.
Yeah.
It is kind of Okay. All right. At the end, we all win. We all win.
For more interesting videos, keep watching Curry Conversations
Conversations.
and Sankalp Vishnu's channel.
Wonderful.
Please
Do
watch.
like, subscribe, and comment before this guy picks up something and runs away from here. Yeah.
Did you notice? He had a papad with the mask.
With the mask on.
And he's continuing to.